Alright, come here, Liam.
What is out there? Wait a minute.
What's going on? What's out there? What is that? What is that?
What is out there, Lily? Did Santa bring something else?
Are you knocking to get out?
Do you want out? Do you want out? Say please. Watch your step.
Wow! What is that? what is
that, Leo?
Oh,
Wow, buddy.
you know how to get in the car already.
Put your other leg in.
You gonna put the leg in and shut the door?
Put your other leg in first.
He'll figure it out, I suppose. Hi!
Are you driving your own car?
He's a pretty or...
Put your foot in, babe. Inside the car. Here, sweetheart.